Fuzzy o fuzzy? Anong pinagkaiba niya naman sa spelling? Pag-usapan natin yan in this new Learn with Laika video. Fussy and fuzzy are both adjectives. Now, yung fuzzy with an S ay ginagamit if something or someone is complicated, aburido kumbaga, o kaya naman ay kailangan ng maraming atensyon, tinatawag ding fuzzy. Yung fuzzy naman, ang root word ay fuzz. Parang yung cereal na ganito sa stuffed toys, fuzz ang tawag dyan. So, something that is fuzzy ay may layer ng soft na material, maybe fur, maybe felt. Fuzzy can also mean malabo. Kaya if someone says, my memories are a little bit fuzzy, ibig sabihin yung mga natatandaan niya, medyo malabo. At kung feelings naman ang dinidescribe, if someone feels warm and fuzzy, ibig sabihin, meron siyang positive na feelings about something. Now, it's your turn. Anong sagot dyan? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to follow me for more.